You're watching 13 News, Kansas News Leader.
Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. I'm now joined by Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission. All aboard. We are making Ahoy Soy Boats. Look at these. Oh, they look so cute. I didn't even know these little soy boats existed.
I didn't either.
But you're going to tell us how to make the good stuff inside them, right, Charlene?
This is a winning recipe. Like you said, it is from the Kansas State Fair, from the Heart Healthy contest that we have each year. So this is the winner from last September.
Yes, we want to give a shout out to the winner, Joyce Connor from Hutchinson, Kansas. So congratulations.
And she won first place. And I thought, with this being Get Your Family in the Kitchen month, that this was a fun recipe that the family could do together and that kids would like. So what we have already done here is put about 3/4 cup of the soy crumbles that this is soy product that she talked about, with 1/4 cup of water and a 1/2 cup of chopped onion. So we've kind of sauteed that and cooked that. Now we're going to add 1 cup of diced green chilies and tomatoes.
Plop that in
This will
there.
be, and you could use mild flavored or you could use spicy.
Okay, whatever your family likes.
That's right. Now we have 1 cup of, she calls it mukamami. See if I can say that right. And that just means the only difference between that, because we think of that as edamame, is that it is just the bean. It's not in the pod. So that's what that means.
The more you know.
That's right. And now we're going to add 1 can of cream of chicken soup. We'll add that. I'm just going to mix this together, and then 1/2 cup of tofu.
All right.
All there is to this, right? Very easy to make. Now she put, this is about 3 tablespoons.
Okay. Put a layer on the bottom.
Yes, and these are nacho cheese.
Oh, they look
chips.
delicious.
And then we'll put about a 1/2 cup of this in here.
How cute is that?
And then we're going to top it with a little bit more. And then she topped it with some Greek yogurt, or you could even use some soy sour cream with that, and put a little bit more cheddar cheese, and it's ready to eat.
Ahoy, matey!
easy.
Here we go
That's
with our
right.
soy boats.
That's right.
Very good, just as easy as that. And we do want to let you all know something we made this morning on the morning show. You can see these cute turtles over here, these sculptures. You can get one of these recipe books featuring all of these sculptures for free, right, Charlene?
That's right. The Kansas Soybean Commission is working with the Kansas Wheat Commission, and they are offering this wonderful book. And you can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org. We have the link, and they'll mail it to you. And it's filled with wonderful dough sculpting for all seasons.
All seasons. Let's see if we can find the Valentine's Day. You see the heart-shaped dough pieces right there. And we also have St. Patrick's Day coming up. So both of those holidays coming up, and this would be so fun to get in the kitchen with your family for Bake for Family Fun Month. And you can get one of these for free. Just head over to your website.
That's right, kansassoybeans.org.
Very good. All right. Thanks so much, Charlene.
Thank you.
And thank you for joining us for Midday in Kansas. We'll see you starting tomorrow morning at 5.
Get the latest